We are on sum number 12. Hello, all everyone is there. Bhumi or John? Dian, you're there? Okay. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. Angle ACD, angle ADC is 32. Find BOC. Where to find this angle? How to find this? Someone tell me. Very easy. Angle ADC is equal to 32. This is already given. The second point, angle AOC will be equal to 2 times angle ADC. Central angle is double of angle at the circumference of of at circumference subtended by the same arc. So therefore, angle AOC is equal to 2 into 32, that is equal to 64 degree. So this part is 64 degree. Fourth one, angle BOC is equal to 180 degree minus angle AOC. Reason, linear pair. They are making a straight line. So angle BOC is 180 degree minus AOC is how much? 64. 180 minus 64. 116 degree there. So angle BOC is 116 degree. That's it. We wanted that only, right? Understood this? Now 18th one. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, AD is equal to BC. Okay. So there is a circle. We have to draw the figure. We don't have figure in this, no? Okay. So here we have a circle and a cyclic quadrilateral. Suppose this is A, B, C, D, AD is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. Angle BAC angle BAC is 30 degree. This is already given. Angle CBD, this one is 70 degree. Okay, find BCD. BCD. We have to find this. Okay, first of all, in triangle, in triangle BCD, first point, angle CBD is equal to 70 degree. This is already given. Second point, angle BDC is equal to angle BAC. Reason, angle inscribed in same arc. See, their endpoint C. BDC and BAC. Their endpoints are same. So angle, they are called angle inscribed in a same arc. They are always equal. So angle BDC is equal to BDC will be how much? 30 degree. Okay. Why? Because angle BAC is already 30 given. Fourth one. Now angle BCD is equal to 180 degree minus 70 plus 30. Reason, angle sum property. So 180 degree minus 100, that is equal to 80 degree. So angle BCD is 80 degree there. Okay. Now AB, we have to find ABC or BCA. Okay. Hmm. Now we have to find BC. This angle. To find this angle, we need this whole angle. Do we have that whole angle? No, we can't find right now. This we found 30 degree right now. This we found 80 degree total. If this is 80, we can find this part now. This will be 100. 100 minus this will be 70. And this is 70 only. Fifth point, angle CAD CAD is equal to angle CBD equal to 70 degree. Angle inscribed in a same arc are equal. See in your figure. This is 70. CBD is 70. Already given that CAB is also 70. This is also 70 then. Okay. Now, if that is 70, CB. ABC. Can we find ABC? No. Can we find BCA? Not yet. ADC. Fisher, can you find any one of this angle?
So can you repeat?
Can you find the angles? Anyone? Can you suggest any idea to find this angle? This is 70. This is how much? Don't know. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles are 180. Nothing else. Okay, sides are also equal, na? I forgot that only. You have to take sides are also equal. We have to use that also. If these two sides are equal, their angle, subtended angles also will be equal. We have to use that also. Now ACD ACD will be equal to BDC angle. Why? Because angle ACD is equal to CDB equal to 30 degree. Reason, angle subtended by equal chords are equal. See here, this angle CDB is made by this chord BC, and this angle ACD is made by chord AD. Both AD and BC are equal, so their inscribed angle also will be equal. The angle made by them is also equal, subtended angle. Okay, at the circumference and at the center. We don't have the center, we cannot take that. So here, this is 30, this is 30 degree CDB. So ACD is also 30. This part also will be 30 here. Okay. If this part is 30, so I can find angle BCDAA. BCA. So seventh में angle BCA